Hello, this is Sherelle T. Martin with Empower to Thrive, where we empower you to thrive financially in life and in business. And this week's financial empowerment tip is on why you should use account numbers in your accounting software program. So recently I began working with a new client and I noticed that they weren't using account numbers. And when I asked them why, they didn't have a reason and they simply asked, well, why would I need them? So here's the deal. The chart of accounts is the framework of your financial reporting system in your business. It's sort of like a legend that tells you how each and every transaction in your business should be recorded and accounted for. When you use account numbers, you create structure in your financial reporting system. And this structure is based on the 5 main accounting categories, and each category is different based on certain criteria of that category. And those 5 categories are assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Now, each one of those categories can be broken down into a further subcategory, but that will have to be next week's blog because that's a whole nother topic. So you have to tune in next week to catch that. The breakdown and the criteria for each of those 5 categories. Now, this criteria allows you to group your revenues and your expenses in such a way that you can perform analysis on any given account at any given point in time without having any issues or trying to manipulate the data. It'll all just kind of come together rather smoothly and quickly. It also allows you to group your transactions in a systematic way. This is what makes that your ability to be able to pull your data together more easily for you. Using a numerical system, so some people like to sort their accounts, and most people, when they don't have account numbers, they're sorting them alphabetically versus using account numbers. And in my opinion, when you use a numerical system versus an alphabetical ordering system, it prevents your reports from looking confusing and overwhelming. Numerical ordering creates more of a seamless flow in your reports and allows them to be more presentable and more ease of readability. Say that fast 5 times. So basically, it doesn't create the confusion of your accounts, especially when you're using sub-accounts. So you may have cost of goods sold materials, cost of goods sold direct costs, cost of goods sold repairs, cost of goods. Oh, here's a good one. You'll have auto expense repairs, auto expense fuel, auto expense maintenance. And on the chart of accounts, it'll look just crazy and it'll make the accounts stretch out longer. But if you're using a numerical system, it will sort them sequentially by numbers, and it will just look more seamless and more easy to read. So now I want to hear from you. Do you use account numbers in your accounting software package, and why or why not? Simply that. Be sure to visit our blog at www.empowertothrive.com and share your comments so our Empower to Thrive community can benefit from your answers. Did you like this video? If so, please subscribe below so that you can receive these tips directly in your box every single week, and also share it with your friends, fans, and followers so they too can receive these tips. Now, don't forget to visit us at www.empowertothrive.com to grab your free startup success guide and bonus budget checklists, our favorite subject. And you can also receive lots of tools, tips, and resources that I only give away in email. So now remember, in order to thrive financially in life and business, you must push past your fears, excel in your ability, and soar to new heights. I look forward to talking to you next week. Take care and be empowered.